Hello friends, welcome again. I am Aswin Jakhania. In this TAG part 2 video, we will move further to our remaining section. Here we will discuss about electrodes along of tungsten, color indication of electrodes. Electrodes mainly made from tungsten. Pure tungsten is very heat and resistance material with a function point of 3380 degrees Celsius. By allowing tungsten, the conductivity of the electrode can be increased, thereby resistance, a higher current load, and have a longer life, better ignition properties. Alloying of tungsten: chromium oxide, lithium oxide, thorium oxide, cerium oxide. Here you can find the electrode dimension. The tungsten electrons are available in different diameters from zero point 0.5 to 8 mm. Commonly used are 1.6, 2.4, 3.2, and 4 mm. The diameter of electrode is chosen on the basis of current intensity, which type of electrode is preferred, and whether is the alternating or direct current grinding direct current. Next is the grinding angle. The point of tungsten electrode must be ground correctly for good result. With DC and negative polarity, the electrode point should be conical in order to obtain concentrated arc that will provide a narrow and deep penetration profile. Here you can find the argon consumption for TAG welding. Mainly gas used for this kind of welding is argon and helium. The amount of shielding gas required depends on the material used and its thickness. The gas consumption for titanium is higher than for steel, since a gas absorption by the former material must be prevented even at lower temperatures. Because of its lower density, the amount of argon is required larger than the helium amount needed. Gas flow rate is regulated by the cubic feet per hour. Depends on the cup size and any draft wind conditions. For example, if there is no draft, a rate of 5 cfh may be enough. Sometimes 60 cfh may not be enough if working in outdoors. A higher gas flow rate is not good either because causes turbulence that pull air into the wheel. The pressure in steel cylinder is between 200 to 300 bar. A pressure reducing valve is fitted with the gas where the actual cylinder pressure can be read. Here you can find the different characteristics of argon and helium, where argon has good arc starting, good cleaning action, good arc stability, lower arc voltage, 10 to 30 cfh flow rates, whereas helium has the faster travel speeds, increased penetration, difficult arc starting, less cleaning action, less low MP stability, flared arc on, higher arc voltage, higher flow rates. Here you can find manual and mechanized TAG building. Current loading of tungsten electrode. Alternating currenting, AC current and direct current. Here you can find the different parameters of welding: aluminum, manual welding, alternating current, high frequency, metal thickness 1.6 mm, 3.2 mm, 4.8 mm, and 6.3 mm. Which kind of type of gas is there? Argon gas is over there. Which kind of advantage is there for this kind of welding? TAG welds are stronger and more ductile. As shielding gas is transparent, welder can clearly observe the weld. While variety of joint can be made because no flux is used, it provides a concentrated heating of workpiece. Area of application are offshore industry, combined heat and power plants, petrochemical industry, food industry, the chemical industry, the nuclear industry. Material used for TAG welding of thin material in stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, magnesium and its alloy, nickel, copper and others. Features: Non-consumable electrode. Argon supply continuously to cover welding pool to protect from atmospheric contamination. Highly reactive metal like Al and magnesium alloys can be welded easily. What are the limitations? Cost is high because of the inert gas uses, coolant and coolant pump. Maximum thickness of plate can be joined up to 5 mm for above filler rod must be used even though tungsten is not melting, but high temperature atoms of tungsten may be get diffused from tip and enters weld pool, which increased brittleness of the weld bed. Safety. Electric shock can kill. Insulate yourself from work and ground. Do not touch live electrical parts. Always wear dry insulating gloves. Keep all panels and covers securely in place. Fumes and gases can be hazardous to your health. Keep your head out of the fumes. Ventilate area or use breathing device. Welding can cause fire or explosion also. Don't weld near flammable material. Watch for fire. Keep execution nearby. Do not locate unit or combined surface. Do not weld on closed containers. Arc rays can burn eyes and skin. Noise can damage hearing. Wear welding helmet with the correct shade of filter. Wear correct eye, ear and body protection. So we will keep over here. Thank you for watching video. Keep learning.